DJI Mavic 4 Pro Quick Transfer. Use the Quick Transfer feature to quickly and conveniently transfer footage stored on the aircraft or microSD card to your phone. It is recommended to enable Allow Quick Transfer in sleep, which allows file transfers even while the aircraft is off and packed, enabling instant sharing after outdoor shooting. Launch the DJI Fly app, go to Camera Settings, enable Allow Quick Transfer in sleep. The aircraft will enter sleep mode after powering off, and Quick Transfer will still be available through the DJI Fly app on your phone. Enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the location feature on your smartphone. Launch DJI Fly app and tap the Quick Transfer card on the home screen, then tap the aircraft icon. When connecting for the first time, press and hold the power button of the aircraft for 3 seconds to confirm connection. Enter the album, select the footage, and click Download, and the footage will be downloaded to your phone. Quick Transfer supports background downloading, so switching to other apps will not interrupt the process. The aircraft will exit sleep mode if there is no operation for 12 hours or if the battery is replaced. After exiting, press the power button and wait a moment to re-enable sleep mode. During this time, the battery level LEDs will flash alternately from left to right. If you unfold the arms at this time, the aircraft will not power on.